Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about another dope running shoe that just came out sometime in June. The shoe just dropped as a brand new shoe. We're talking about the Adidas Supernova 7. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys will be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And if you like the content we've been dropping on the channel as of late, please hit that like button and show us some love. Alright guys, this is the box that the shoe came in. It's pretty much an inline black Adidas box with the OG Adidas logo on it. Ain't too much going on, but let's get into the shoe. You guys go, the Adidas Supernova 7. Let's get into the details of this shoe. Alright guys, you guys can see the shoe is pretty much primarily black, white, little bit of gray, and some hints of off-white on here. But let's start on the toe box. On the toe box right here, you have a black mesh toe box right here. On the tip of the toe box, you have a black leather strip right here. On the outside of the toe box, you have a patent leather white here going around to both sides of the toe box. You slide up to the tongue. You have a black mesh tongue with a black oval lace. You have the Adidas logo in black and white right here on the top of the tongue with the Supernova tag on it. Out over here to the side, you have the 3 Adidas stripes going down in black, gray, and off-white. You have the Supernova 7 right here written. You have a white sole that's made out of Adidas Primate technology, what makes this shoe really, really comfortable, man. Like, man, we're gonna get into that. Slide over here to the back, you have the Adidas logo in white with more of that patent leather right here. Slide over here to the other side, you have more of the same of the 3 stripes, black, gray, with the off-white. And then you have the sole, which is also black and white on this side also. You go down to the bottom of it, you have white, black, and off-white sole, the bottom of the sole, man. I just want to say, man, this shoe right here is a sleeper. It's very, very comfortable. I love how this shoe feels on foot, as you guys can see with the on foot, shots that I put in the video. But this shoe feels really, really, really good, man. And then it's breathable also with the mesh going pretty much around the whole shoe. Also, it has some premium materials on here, patent leather, and the shoe just feels good, man. Adidas added their special technology to the sole. You can't go wrong with that. I love the colors. There's another color that's up, but I don't like the color. I like this color much better right here, man. The shoe is only $120. You cannot go wrong with this price point, and it's a clean shoe, man. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to keep it real with y'all, man. This shoe right here is gonna get 4 out of 5 pennies, man, just for the comfort, the look, and the price, man. Adidas has some really dope running shoes, man. Don't sleep. I've done multiple Adidas running shoes on this channel. Don't sleep on their technologies and their dope running shoes, man. I can't really speak on their basketball shoes and stuff like that because I haven't really, seen any pairs that caught my eye and I thought was dope. But this shoe right here is really dope, man. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think I'm tripping, leave it in the comments below. We could talk about it. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.